Hi, I'm Sheila. I have a news for you. Hundreds gather in largest protest yet against Sanford Hospital's COVID-19 vaccine mandate. Hundreds of people descended on Sanford Health's campus in central Sioux Falls Tuesday afternoon to protest vaccination mandates by the healthcare provider and at other companies across the country. Patriot Ripple Effect, a grassroots initiative, hosted a Freedom March AMP rally that started at Menlo Park and eventually led on to Sanford Heath's campus. The group said they are not anti-vaccine, but instead pro-freedom and anti-mandate. The event started at noon and lasted until about 2 p.m. before protesters began working their way back to Menlo Park and going home. A rally before the march featured speakers such as John Hanson, a South Dakota House of Representatives member, and Maya Olson, president of Health Freedom South Dakota. John also said about this.
And this is attendees. The left is injecting things into their bodies that they do not want. After I am finished talking, Olson took to the mic and said she started her organization with the expectation there was never going to be a mandate. Olson also talked about the usage of ivermectin, a controversial treatment for COVID-19. She referred to it as horse dewormer and discussed how the public was told it doesn't work. Patriot Ripple Effect organizer Kathleen Pittman, who is in charge of getting permits for the group's protests, said as more places put vaccine mandates in place, the number of attendees at their protests increase. Avera Health joined Sanford in requiring vaccines for employees on September 7, and last week, President Biden said, companies with more than 100 employees must require the vaccine or have employees take weekly COVID-19 tests. As these businesses do mandates, we're only going to get bigger. We may have looked weak in the beginning, but there's many of us, Putman said. For their part, Sanford Health, one of the first major employers in the area to initiate a vaccine mandate, has not changed their policy since its announcement in late July. Dr. Joshua Crabtree, Sanford Health's Vice President of Clinical Operations, addressed the health protests on a call with reporters Tuesday. Crabtree said having fully vaccinated staff is the best way to guarantee that patients who come for care are being protected from COVID-19.